5 everyday things you've been doing wrong this whole time. You probably think you're brushing your teeth correctly, charging your phone smartly, and cleaning your ears like a pro. Actually, that's not true. Today, we're uncovering 5 everyday habits you've been doing wrong, and what to do instead. You'll be surprised how many of these you've been doing your whole life. Number 1. Rinsing your mouth after brushing. Let's start with the first one. Rinsing your mouth after brushing. Most people rinse with water right after brushing their teeth. But doing that washes away the fluoride from your toothpaste, the very ingredient that protects your teeth. Dentists actually recommend just spitting out the foam and leaving the fluoride to work longer on your enamel. Less rinsing, more protection. Number 2. Cleaning your ears with cotton swabs. Second, cleaning your ears with cotton swabs. Yes, it feels satisfying, but it's risky. Using cotton swabs can push wax deeper into your ear canal and even damage your eardrum. Your ears are self-cleaning organs, and if you must clean, only wipe the outside gently. Doctors say, nothing smaller than your elbow should go in your ear. Number 3. Charging your phone overnight. Third, charging your phone overnight. It sounds convenient, but keeping your battery at 100% for hours can wear it out over time. Modern lithium batteries are healthiest when kept between 20% and 80%. So, if you want your phone to last longer, try charging it during the day, and unplug it once it's full. Number 4. Washing your face with hot water. Fourth, washing your face with hot water. Hot water might feel relaxing, especially after a long day, but it strips your skin of its natural oils. This can lead to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. Dermatologists recommend using lukewarm or cold water to clean your face more gently. Number 5. Storing batteries in the fridge. And finally, storing batteries in the fridge. You might have heard this old tip, but it's outdated. Cold temperatures and moisture can actually damage the batteries or cause them to leak. Instead, store them at room temperature in a dry place, like a drawer, for longer life. So, how many of these were you doing wrong without even knowing it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more surprising facts. See you in the next video.